1. Hook. Many beginners jump into cloud computing only to trip over the same mistakes. Want to avoid those pitfalls? Stick around as we uncover common cloud learning mistakes and how to dodge them. 3. The simple explanation. At its core, cloud computing is about renting resources over the internet. Instead of buying servers, you use what you need when you need it. However, many beginners misjudge their requirements, leading to issues like overspending or under-provisioning resources. Understanding your needs and using cloud services properly is crucial to success. 4. Real-world example. Let's talk about a startup called TechWave. They launched a new mobile app anticipating 10,000 users in the first month. They set up their infrastructure on AWS, using EC2 instances with a default configuration. They thought they'd just tweak things as they went. Initially, everything seemed fine. But within a week, user growth surged to 50,000. They hadn't anticipated this. Their EC2 instances couldn't handle the traffic. The app crashed repeatedly, frustrating users and damaging their reputation. They ended up spending over $20,000 in extra costs to scale up quickly. Had they planned better, they could have predicted their needs and avoided the chaos. 5. What to do instead to avoid situations like TechWave's. Follow this step-by-step framework. Assess your needs. Start by estimating your initial user base. Use available data or benchmarks. For example, if a similar app had 10,000 users, expect similar growth. Choose the right services. Instead of default settings, select services tailored to your needs. For instance, consider using AWS auto-scaling. This adjusts your resources in real time based on traffic. Set cost limits. Establish a budget for your cloud services. A good practice is to keep your monthly cloud spend under 10% of your expected revenue in the early stages. Monitor usage. Use monitoring tools like AWS CloudWatch. Set alerts for CPU usage over 70% or network traffic spikes. This helps catch issues early. Regular review. Plan to review your architecture every month. As you grow, your needs will change. Adjust your services accordingly. 6. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. Ignoring cost management. Many beginners deploy resources without considering costs. Fix. Always use budgeting tools like AWS budgets. Set alerts for when you're approaching your limit. Mistake 2. Over-provisioning resources. Some start by allocating more resources than needed. Fix. Start small. Use the smallest instance types and scale as necessary. This helps save money while you learn. Mistake 3. Not understanding security. Security often takes a back seat. Fix. Implement security best practices from day one. Use IAM roles for identity management, and enable logging. This protects your data and helps with compliance. Mistake 4. Lack of documentation. Skipping documentation leads to confusion later. Fix. Document every decision, configuration, and change. Use tools like Confluence or Notion for easy access. Mistake 5. Failure to learn continuously. Many believe they can learn once and be done. Fix. Engage with community forums, take courses, and read articles regularly. Platforms like Coursera or Udemy offer great cloud courses. 7. Quick checklist to summarize. Here's a quick checklist to avoid common cloud learning mistakes. Assess and estimate your initial needs. Choose tailored services, not defaults. Set monthly budget limits. Monitor resource usage with alerts. Review your architecture regularly. Implement security from the start. Keep documentation updated. Engage in continuous learning. 8. Summary plus CTA. Cloud computing can be a game changer for your projects. But avoiding common mistakes is essential for success. Remember to assess your needs, manage costs, secure your resources, document your processes, and keep learning. If you found this helpful, drop a comment about your cloud learning journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical insights on cloud technology. Bonus practical tip: if you're unsure what to pick, start with the simplest option that ships today. Then measure for 7 days, latency, errors, deploy time, and cost. Only upgrade when metrics force the decision, not fear.